a video for using the JCT2 tool for extracting chain links. Quick instructional video for you. Now, when we come to use this, the first thing you need to do is grind the tips off on the rivet links. Just take them down flat. You can probably see them just here, but I've put a little black dot in the centre so you can see them. We then need to use the chain tool, and it has to be lined up correctly. So you'll see on here, point A has to be slid in and lined up with the screw. We'll put that in here. Make sure that when you're locating them in true Blue Peter fashion, that they locate into the hole at the back and you keep them all lined up. Just tighten that down. The pin tool just locates straight into the end, and you must make sure it goes through straight, otherwise it will bend. Most of you will have a vise, so you won't need mole grips to hold it. I'll just point in here. You can see that the pin tool is lined up to the centre of the link. And we'll now extract the link, making sure that it's coming through straight. You'll see the link coming out the back edge. That's now clear. Just revert, and we'll do the same one to the other side.